So hello and namaste everyone, welcome back to my another video. This is Kitsumong and you're watching Camera Nakarator. So actually I thought of starting my vlog from here, but janap dadi na police kan gari kan line gora thera hoba. But just within accident kan kiba hochina ki goina start recording guise ena pra jado they were checking just seat belt or helmet kan check korise. By the way, very unexpected checking guys. Jada kita na checking na thake. So I think I'm seeing for the first time jada checking gora do. Guys, always wear your helmet. I have a seat belt lagana pirabe. So guys, this will be my first vlog on my Gopro 10 guys. So excited footage kina wala na jini, but I think it will come out great. And then guys, yeah, I want a lot of fun killing the garne. Mana purana camera do, mo yeti mon gurise. Actually guys, mo yeti guri, but then yeti guri do. Yeti chabi kan thala thali garne bisi disturb hoy do side ki gurise. And then chukar guys will report mo harai se do chukar na. But I'm just trying. So anyway guys, this is the right start kuro. This is the shuru kurina. Kimon product jawa jawa. So guys, I hope you guys will enjoy my new camera footage and also enjoy the ride. So it's Sunday today, so Sunday ride karne jaise. Solo ase, but it's okay. I'm gonna have a lot of fun, and I hope you guys will also have fun. So anyway, let's start the video. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm on my way. Things gon' be tough, but I'll wait. Grinding my skills every day. Working my ass out till 8.
So I don't know the angle kina lawa. And camera angle ko panay sa like ko. Checking poster kina dige. I solo ride kari masti ase. Yeah, definitely with friends is more fun, but I like solo ride sometimes. But I like solo ride. But actually, mula riding partner hando so busy ase dia. Rungsan mula hotai riding partner rungsan tai bhi posti jai na ase. To dala vlog bhi side lagi bhi. Tai thik se posti la. Village happening la video thale de tai thama tham. To dala channel de side lagi de gona bhi request kurte ase. To kare aage wada na hai wala I guess. Quick. Okay. Wait. Guys, after a long time coming here, fire season na. I will develop feel like it. So after a long time. Jaga di katha hai, feel like it, guys. This out is it. Okay, it's okay. I'll manage it. La achanak di katha na le to ko na mara jai ro man bina. Helpless ho jai ro. Jaga di. Oh shit man. Aage di kare jale to na ni dike to mo aage kor lo. Let me go ahead. है ना क्या हो गया ये 4 लेन को Wait. Oh. This road is mugging danger. One ball na. We never know what's in the next turn. Danger to have Alright for repairing good follow. Mezifema road is becoming dangerous, bro. So finally guys, we are at Mezifema. Mezifema bungji le to rasta wa jani jai. Itu rasta dikhile to Mezifema bungji se gana jani jai. Sorry now, yeah, man, video just got like this. Why there is no repairing, bro? Kita repairing, bro, after 4 or 5 years. কি করেছে মনে মন জমা করে করি না তাস খেলে নেই আচ্ছা লাউড না I've been drinking more alcohol করেছে Will some more go on and on and on. So I hope from here there's a good road. I hope. Let's see. First kita corner lock slow and then after that let's start cornering. Look, top hal tag siya this does it. क्यों होला हो क्यों इतना खराब हो गया रोड शिट बाइक थलायना इसे लेतरा हो जाए लैंडस्लाइड हो जाए गाइस केयरफुल टायर वेट होना से कर्नरिंग वास्ते कर देव पानी उठिसो थिंग दा oh my gosh यदि तो ना गाइस रास्ता रे चलाम दे माथा तो सुकु तो रास्ता रे हेर लागे oh shit man रास्ता रे को लागे एक प्रो साइड साइड ना आम देना अचानक रास्ता भी आ रहा है तो खावा लग बिचारा तेना ती कर्नरिंग kan deh oh shit So yeah, this is landslide, guys. Forest dito, nipiraw lagi, guys. It's too dangerous. Forest time dito na. Busy emergency kam na lyrics na lagi, guys. Di rasta to. Not safe. I don't know. Itu left lane di alak rasta biya nisna se, right? Dito man biya to na taka nisna na. I think left di alak biya nisna ke. Kata bisa the left itu. Oh guys, so you can see the view, amazing view, bro. Oh shit, duk feel like this. Itu aja, cornering ground na, rasta biado. That's scary, bro. थोड़ा चम है यहाँ पे oh my god what the hell 집이 어디다 guys man tak to thakane ho अलग पर रेन सीजन है इसलिए खत्म पूरा खत्म हो गया रास्ता कॉर्नरिंग भी तो गाड़ी आधा छोड़ गए इसलिए बहुत छोड़ गए कट्ठा है बोले फुल लगे थे These are dangerous man These are fucking dangerous road सी खुद ही बोला हुआ है दे है ना या इस रोड का क्या करूँ itu waktu na सीधा सीधे next time तो चलो कि रोड ही जाओ लगो जी बोलो बोलता I think Chalukhi road will be much better than these roads. Itu road dangerous हो जाए जिलाई. Kuma car kuma पिया ना दो ना. पिया था के ले तक होता ना. था कि वो और पिया हो ना. So it's very dangerous guys. Okay, that was a clean curves. Cornering road भी रास्ता भरना होना है चला oh shit oh my gosh rock slide happening फटाफट पार करो oh scary as well forest under a risk as well seriously guys it's too risky man 아원 사이즈 원래 지금 So guys, you can check out the view. The view is pretty amazing, yeah. The view is pretty amazing, but the road is shitty. Perima, we are about to reach Perima. What the fuck? 어떻게 죽었나? Oh my gosh, this is becoming dangerous, bro. This road is becoming dangerous. 옛날에 죽어 bump. It was like this. It was like this. Now 나가 죽어. 아, 디카네도 뭐해? These roads really dangerous, man. Wala de man takto thaka na yo, moi ya thaka takto. Achi leki ni man biao ji sho. Woohoo! Under didn't know how, but not the risk is there. Kami jawa guys, Perima Paruje. I thought of coming up to Perima, but let's go further. Mani rasta pichi biar lagi na. I didn't have fun. Bye bye. Kau macam ada rugi na? Crowd down back room. Kola thakona na najini paten. Let's go and see. I think it's close. Yeah, maybe I think it's close. Maybe it's a bit dangerous, man. Let's off the camera for some damping.